Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to turn off password for App Store. So let's start. First let's go to settings. Here on settings just select your name, your Apple ID, then just scroll down and let's go to media and purchase. Then let's click on settings, password settings here. And if you check, it says when you're purchasing always require password. But in case that you have free downloads activated like this one and you prefer to turn off, just click here and deactivate it. In that way, every time that you download an app, you won't require the password. So when you do it, just click here on done and that's it. This is how you can turn off your password for App Store without any problem. I hope this video works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.